Alright, so welcome to the another video on the airdrop series, and this time I have a very interesting and serious project which is from the Near protocol. And as we already know that Near protocol is one of the best and it is now top 10 protocol, and they have something which is called as MPC wallet, and we can see they have around 800k followers, and what they have written is self custodial mobile, web and telegram wallet, support Near protocol and hot protocol accounts. So it is very interesting, and the most interesting part is that they are also running an airdrop campaign. So how to farm this Here Wallet tokens, which is called as hot token, in this video. So I will explain each and every step in this video. What you have to do is I will be sharing my referral link into this video description. Just go to the description and just click on the link that I will be sharing. Open the link, and once you open the link, it will comes up into the Telegram. And now let me share my screen how that will look like. So this is the website. First thing, this is the website, and they have mentioned each and everything here, which is Near wallet is here, and this is the interface. You can swap tokens and 10 gas free transactions, stake Near, explore NFT, weekly score and contest based on the activities, and lots of things are here. So let's directly jump into the airdrop thing. So as you can see to the my screen, let me share my screen first. All right, so as you can see, this is my screen of the Telegram. So once you click to the link which I have shared into this video description, and then launch screen will comes up. Once you click on the launch, you will see some instructions to create hot wallet, create Near wallet. So you have to choose your username, choose your seed phrase, copy and paste somewhere where you can note it down. If you're not interested long term using this wallet, then you can leave that. But for now, I would suggest just copy the seed phrase and at least store at somewhere which is safe. And this is the interface where you can see. So right now, as you can see, I have just started. So my hot balance is around 0.05, which is very less. But I believe once I will have lots of people coming together, then I will have more, and you can also make more. So what you have to do is just go to this hot section. As you can see, happy mining, and these points are coming up here. And this is the storage. So as you can see, 0.005 hot per hour. So they have a very, I would say, very confusing kind of interface, but who cares? Let's farm as much as possible points here. So they have missions here, and in the mission, you can earn 0.2 hot just by creating MPC wallet. So once you click, you will see lots of tasks here. So on earn 5 hot. So all the tasks that you will be performing, you will be earning lots of hot token. So create MPC wallet 0.2, deposit ETH on base 0.5 hot. So you can deposit and you can withdraw. It's very simple. Make a bridge, transfer token on base, make $5 plus swap. So lots of things are here, and you can actually make points, and those points are called as hot points, and hot token is going to be very huge in my opinion. So just explore it. Hot wallet, gas fee, and if you go back, then is a boost thing. So you can boost these things and you can make more and more points. And this is friends, you can invite people. They are giving 300k hot on every 3 invite friends. So you will be sharing this pool. So I have 0 invites, and I hope that once you sign up using my link, I will have lots of referrals here also. So that's all about the hot token. That's all about this Here wallet. And I hope you will be subscribing using my link, and we all together make the whole airdrop thing working. So see you into the next video. Thank you.